In this video, Randy and I are checking into Chamonix Casino and Hotel in Cripple Creek, Colorado to see what all the buzz is about, and we'll tell you whether this luxury getaway is worth your time and money. Stay to the end to see some great highlights from the 95th annual Donkey Derby Days. Let's go! Chamonix Casino and Hotel opened in December 2023, bringing a touch of Las Vegas luxury to the historic mining town of Cripple Creek, Colorado. The $300 million resort is owned and operated by Full House Resorts, a Las Vegas-based hospitality company, and it has quickly become one of the area's premier destinations. From the moment you walk through the door, it's clear this isn't your typical mountain casino. The beautifully designed property features 300 guest rooms, a rooftop pool, a full-service spa, and several dining and entertainment options. Come with us as we check out this fantastic property, starting with our room tour. We're in room 5112 on the 5th floor. And I can't remember the name of this type of room. I'll put it down on the bottom. King bed. It's very bright in here. This little mini bar area. Yes, a mini bar, but they gave us 2 free water bottles. And a view of the roof and a little bit of the hills. But what is really cool in this room is the bathroom. It has a soaking tub. And comes with 2 robes. Let's see. What is this? This is probably the toilet. Light automatically comes on. And a very nice shower. With some products. The bathroom's really bright. Love the tub. I forgot this Nespresso machine. That includes some pods, so complimentary coffee with your stay. I don't know what the flavors are, but that's pretty cool. You can have coffee in your room. The hotel has a number of amenities, including a beautiful rooftop pool. It was not very crowded on a Sunday morning, but quite crowded on a Saturday afternoon, as you will see. You can hear the church bells. The pool area has locker rooms with towels and a sauna. The hotel has a fitness center with several different machines. You can row or run on the treadmill while you're looking down Bennett Avenue. And it's Donkey Derby Days again today, so those are all the blow-ups that will be blown up pretty soon. Nobody's at the fitness center on this Sunday morning. Perfect time to come work out. Looks like they also have a room where you could do yoga stretching. Very nice.
The hotel has a spa. It's closed right now. And a salon, but lots of different services, massages, body wraps, facials, and hair services. Everything is just beautiful and clean and classy. It's really a stunning place. I'm on the second floor right now. There's lots of areas where you can sit and just enjoy the peace and beauty. So the speakeasy is down this hallway, just past the high limit room, with the moose on the door. Let's go inside.
The cute tucked away bar is definitely a place where you should stop. I wouldn't really call it a speakeasy because the door is generally propped open when the bar is open. And it's open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday starting at 5 p.m. There are some digital screens with changing scenery, which really adds to the ambiance. And it's definitely a great spot with handcrafted cocktails, and it's a quieter place to visit, a nice change from the bustling casino floor. So look for the door with the moose head. Whether you're looking for a quick bite, a casual meal, or an upscale dining experience, Chamonix and the connected Bronco Billy's have plenty of options. During our visit, we decided to splurge on dinner at 980 Prime, Chamonix's signature steakhouse, and it turned out to be one of the highlights of our stay.
The cocktail menu at 980 Prime. And they have a Pearl de Beer cocktail. The famous Madam of Cripple Creek. And some other treasures.
To kick off the meal, Randy ordered an old-fashioned prepared tableside. Watching the bartender craft the cocktail right beside our table was an experience in itself. He was friendly and knowledgeable, and it was a great presentation, and I felt like it was a great deal at $20. For dinner, Randy and I decided to share a meal because we weren't super hungry, and our server kindly offered to split the salad, our entree, and our side dish in the kitchen before bringing everything to the table. The food was delicious and the staff was amazing. It's definitely a restaurant that we will go back to. It was a wonderful experience. And here's a pro tip. If you're part of the rewards program at Chamonix and you join the birthday club, which is free, then you can get a discounted entree during your birthday month. And the discount is equal to the age that you're turning. So if you're turning 50, you get 50% off an entree, which is a fantastic deal. We had a wonderful stay at Chamonix. The room was very quiet. The steakhouse was outstanding. Everything's very clean and well cared for, and the staff was friendly. So I think it's definitely worth your time and money. The beautiful Chamonix Hotel is just one reason to visit Cripple Creek. There are also tons of historic finds and the donkeys. I love the donkeys. If you've watched our channel for a while, you will know I've posted several videos on the donkeys, and we enjoyed watching the donkey races at Donkey Derby Day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might like some of our other videos, so please hit subscribe and follow along on our journeys. We would love to have you. See you next time.